Greetings and welcome to another episode of Neville for Beginners. Today, as suggested in the comments, we will be explaining how to control unwanted subconscious impressions. As always, I will try to explain everything in 3 minutes, so let's not waste any time. In the previous video, we talked about how impressing the subconscious mind can lead us to manifest every desire we have if we know how impressed ideas are expressed to the outer world. So if we learn how to control negative impressions, we have control over creation because we hold the keys to realizing our every desire. Therefore, through his power to imagine and feel and his freedom to choose the idea he will entertain, man has control over creation. So man is entirely independent and has free will to choose which ideas to imagine and feel true. This means that he is the one to decide to entertain either positive or negative thoughts and ideas, making him solely responsible for his creations because negative feelings impress the subconscious negatively, and since the subconscious has no choice but to express the impressions that are felt as true, will seek a means for this negative realization. Feeling is the one and only medium through which ideas are conveyed to the subconscious. Therefore, the man who does not control his feeling may easily impress the subconscious with undesirable states. So, if you choose to dwell in negative thoughts, difficulties and barriers, the subconscious accepts those feelings of difficulty as your request, so it will express them into the outer world. The feeling is the most important factor when realizing a desire. Since control of the subconscious is accomplished through control of your ideas and feelings, we can now understand this is exactly why we must be careful to guard and control ourselves against any negative feeling or negative ideas. But how can we control negative ideas and feelings? Neville explains the definition of control and states that you can't control your feeling by restraining it or suppressing it, but via the discipline of self to imagine feelings that lead to your happiness. By control of feeling is not meant restraint or suppression of your feeling, but rather the disciplining of self to imagine and entertain only such feeling as contributes to your happiness. Control of your feeling is all important to a full and happy life. Never entertain an undesirable feeling nor think sympathetically about wrong in any shape or form. Do not dwell on the imperfection of yourself or others. To do so is to impress the subconscious with these limitations. What you do not want done unto you, do not feel that it is done unto you or another. This is the whole law of a full and happy life. Everything else is commentary. Now, Neville also gives us the tools to help us with the process of controlling our feelings. Once again, we need to deny the evidence of our senses and dwell in imagination. Imagination and such the state akin to sleep are the gateways for our success. Mastery of self-control of your thoughts and feelings is your highest achievement. However, until perfect self-control is attained, so that in spite of appearances you feel all that you want to feel, use sleep and prayer to aid you in realizing your desired states. These are the 2 gateways into the subconscious. And that was the end of our video. Don't forget, if you enjoy this kind of content, you can always leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And of course, leave your suggestions and recommendations in the comment section below. I try to answer the majority of the comments. Well, thanks for watching.